5:03 now, happening today. The Baltimore City State's attorney, Marilyn Mosby, is due in federal court not to try a case, but to appear as a defendant in a lawsuit.
Yeah, 5 of the 6 officers involved in the Freddie Gray trials are suing Mosby for defamation. ABC 2's Megan Knight is live outside the U.S. District Courthouse in downtown Baltimore this morning with what is expected to happen today. Good morning, Megan.
Good morning, Ashley and Christian. Yeah, so the judge in today's hearing is going to decide whether to dismiss these defamation lawsuits or if they'll be allowed to continue. Now, the officers who have filed these lawsuits against City State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby include officers William Porter, Edward Nero, Garrett Miller, as well as Sergeant Alicia White and Lieutenant Brian Rice. The only one of the 6 who hasn't filed a lawsuit is the van driver. That was Officer Caesar Goodson. Now, initially, these were 3 separate lawsuits, but then back in August, a judge consolidated them all into one. Most of the claims stem from the news conference that Mosby held outside of the War Memorial Building back in May of 2015 when she announced the charges against the 6 officers in the Freddie Gray case. Now, they allege false information was used to bring about those charges and caused them financial and emotional distress over the last year. Now, none of those officers were found guilty in the death of Freddie Gray, and even though defamation cases are usually pretty hard to prove, the attorneys representing these 5 officers believe that their cases will actually be stronger because they're together. Guys, today's hearing is expected to get underway around 11 o'clock this morning.